Welcome to the Luxor Las Vegas. The question we're asking today is, are the Luxor's tower premier rooms worth it? In this video we'll answer that. Aside from the pyramid, the Luxor has two additional hotel towers. They were added about 4 years after the Luxor's opening, and the room we're looking at today is in those towers. So let's head inside and take a look at the room. This one is formally called the Tower Premier 2 Queen Room, and the room itself is 449 square feet. The living area includes 2 queen beds, 2 lounge chairs and a table, a 50-inch flat screen TV, charging and power outlets, a closet and wardrobe for storage, and a work desk. The restroom has a separate shower and tub, a single sink, and of course, a toilet. And while there is no door that separates the toilet from the rest of the bathroom, there is a partition wall for some privacy, which I appreciate. I have only 2 gripes with this room. 1, it doesn't have a double sink, and I think it should, since the tower rooms are considered an upgrade from the pyramid rooms. And 2, I feel the bathroom decor is outdated and could definitely use a refresh. The comparable rooms in the pyramid, by contrast, are just under 30 square feet smaller than the tower rooms, and the price is slightly higher for the tower rooms than the pyramid rooms. So what's the verdict on the tower rooms? While I do enjoy staying in the pyramid rooms, and they're very nostalgic for me, I feel like the tower premier rooms are more spacious, partly due to not having the pyramid slanted windows, which can be restricting and make the pyramid rooms feel smaller. And I also feel that the tower premier rooms are slightly better appointed. And while I do think that everyone should experience the pyramid rooms, I prefer the tower premier rooms, and I think they're worth the stay. Just make sure you get a good view. This was our view in the Tower Premier Room. Let me know if you've stayed at the Luxor and what your experience has been. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.